How to convert a RAR folder into JIP. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you select the file which you want to convert into JIP. Right click on it and from the menu simply go to Open with WinRAR. Once you do, if this folder has any password, enter the password and click on OK. After that, in WinRAR application, go to the tools at the top. From the menu, simply choose the option of Convert Archives. Now in this tab, go to Compression. Then after copy the path, go to OK. After that, in Compression, you simply need to choose the option of JIP and click on OK. And shortly your file will be converted into JIP. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.